Alright gang, so today I'm going to be showing you how I achieve this wash and go out the door look. I only used 1, 2, 4 products in total. So if you want to watch, stay tuned.
Alright guys, so I'm going to start off with co-washing my hair with this Jane Carter Solution co-washer. And it's basically a curl drench. You put that on and you drench your hair with it because it will moisturize it. And it will bring back so much life to it. And so much moisture. I love this stuff. It's a co-wash and I pretty much use it every week. Every time I do a different style. So I'm just going in with that. Yeah. So I went ahead and washed that off my hair. It's looking really crazy right now. Don't mind that. So these are the products I'm using: Eco Styler Gel, Olive Oil, Curl Enhancing Smoothies by Shea Moisture, and the J. Carter Shine On. It's actually 4 products, so I don't know why I put 3 hands up. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with my Curl Enhancing Smoothie. Just a finger, just a little bit. I would say like index finger size, but no, a little bit more than that depending on the thickness of your hair. But you don't want to put too much because it's going to leave a white residue and that's not cute. It will dry, but you know, if you're going to wash your hair and go, you don't want to have white stuff. So I just went in with the Eco Styler Gel and I'm basically just raking the Eco Styler Gel into my hair with each section. So I also want to mention, keeping your hair wet is the key to the wash and go. It gives you slip and the products run smoothly into your hair. So right now I'm just taking a Demis brush. What is going on with my speech? A Denman brush and brushing through my hair. This really defines the curl. If you ever use a Denman brush, it really just defines your curl. You don't have to go in with this, but it's optional. So I have this last part, and I'm really gonna show you guys what I do. So wet your hair first. We're gonna section this part off because it's way too thick to detangle. I'm gonna section it into 2 parts. We're gonna get in with our Curl Enhancing Smoothie. That's way too much. And basically detangle with the Curl Enhancing Smoothie. Water and this go hand in hand. It's easy to detangle with water in this product. I mean, so easy. And I'm going in with my gel. I should have combed it first, but I'm going in with my gel. And I like to start from the root and work my way up. That way I can just rake all the gel down. You know, I don't like frizzy roots on my wash and goes. I hate that. I don't know why. Yeah, and then I'm going in with my Jane Carter Shine. If I broke it, I don't know what the hell happened, but I broke it. So we're just going to do it the old-fashioned way, put it in my hands. This stuff smells so good, guys. I mean, it is amazing. So yeah, going in with the Jane Carter Solution and going in with some more gel. The Jane Carter Solution spray is just to give it shine. So yeah, if you're wondering, shine and a little moisture.
Wind that way, yeah. Wind up and bust my brain, yeah. Fuck you and make you my brain. Yeah, yeah. She calling me Eminado. She tell me say she in love, oh. She's in love with Wizzy, baby. Yeah, she wanna do it all again. She tell me say come tonight, oh. She tell me say she's in love, oh. She's in love with Wizzy, baby. She wanna do it all again. Yeah, my girl, I give you tonight, oh. Yeah, yeah. Say I'ma give you tonight, oh. Oh la 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 la. See my girl, I give you tonight, oh. La la. My girl, I give you tonight, oh. Oh na na na.
Sweetie pie, darling, yes, so do you. Bra, befemano. Against any be we can't family. Sleeping on my chest, what up, Makoma, so what a bed. Bedroom bully, shoddy, mommy feeling dread. Swag on Tom Ford, everybody feeling fresh. You're in a tiny mini skirt, I like the way you dress. I like the way you go down, make her easy.
Alright guys, so this is pretty much the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.